हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है a प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू 1 एंड ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 2 एंड स्टूडेंट्स हमें a पावर 11 प्लस b पावर 11 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन में हमें फाइंड करना है a पावर 11 प्लस b पावर 11। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमें a पावर 11 एंड b पावर 11 फाइंड करना है तो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a पावर 5 प्लस b पावर 5 and students and also find the value of a power 6 plus b power 6. Let's suppose students a power 5 plus b power 5 is something equals to x and this is equals to y. Students, अगर मैंने a power 5 plus b power 5 की वैल्यू निकाल ली एंड स्टूडेंट्स a power 6 and b power plus b power 6 की वैल्यू निकाल ली and then students if we multiply both the equations then we will find out the value of a power 11 and b power 11. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं a पावर 5 प्लस b पावर 5 की वैल्यू निकाल लेता हूँ एंड a पावर 6 एंड b पावर 6 की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं एंड देन स्टूडेंट्स उसके बाद मैं मल्टीप्लाई करके a पावर 11 प्लस b पावर 11 की वैल्यू आराम से फाइंड आउट कर सकता हूँ। तो स्टूडेंट्स ये हमारे प्रोसीजर रहेंगे कि हमें यहाँ से सबसे पहले हमें ये वाली वैल्यूज फाइंड करनी है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a पावर 6 प्लस b पावर 6। लेट सो स्टार्ट स्टूडेंट्स, a प्लस b इज इक्वल्स टू 1 है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स यहां पर हमारे पास a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 2। स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a पावर 6 प्लस b पावर 6। स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a पावर 6 b पावर 6 देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a पावर 3 प्लस b पावर 3 एंड देन स्क्वायर एंड देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a पावर 6 प्लस b पावर 6। स्टूडेंट्स, मैं कह रहा हूं कि अगर आपको a पावर 6 और b पावर 6 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है तो फर्स्ट सबसे पहले हमें a पावर 3 प्लस b पावर 3 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी चाहिए एंड देन स्टूडेंट्स उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, टेकिंग क्यूब बोथ साइड। देन स्टूडेंट्स a प्लस b इज इक्वल्स टू 1 टेकिंग क्यूब बोथ साइड, दोनों तरफ क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स, पावर 3 की एंड देन स्टूडेंट्स वी नो दैट a प्लस b होल पावर 3 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab ब्रैकेट a plus b and this is equals to 1. Now students, if you will find out the value of a cube plus b cube then you will find out the value of a into b. First students, we will find out the value of a into b. Now let students here a plus b is equals to 1. Students, अगर मैं दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर करूं, now taking square both side, taking square both side. Students दोनों तरफ मैंने स्क्वायर किया and students we know that a plus b whole square that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab and this is equals to 1 square that is equals to 1. Now students we know that a square plus b square is equals to 2. So students here a square plus b square is equals to 2 plus 2 times a into b and this is equals to 1. Now students 2 times a into b this is equals to 1 plus का 2 students right hand side में आएगा and minus का 2. Now students 2ab is equals to minus 1. Now divide both side 2. Then 2 is cancelled out by 2 and a into b this is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now students here ab is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now students we will find out the value of a power 3 plus b power 3. So a power 3 plus b power 3 plus 3 times what is the value of ab? Value of ab is minus 1 by 2. Now put here minus 1 by 2 and what is the value of a plus b? A plus b is 1. So a plus b is replaced by 1 and this is equals to 1. Now students a power 3 plus b power 3 and 3 is multiplied by minus 1 by 2 then we get minus 3 by 2 and this is equals to 1. Now students minus का 3 by 2 right hand side में जाएगा then plus का 3 by 2 हो जाएगा students. Then students a cube plus b cube this is equals to 1 plus 3 by 2. Now a cube plus b cube students 1 plus 3 by 2 that is equals to 5 by 2. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? स्टूडेंट्स हमें a cube plus b cube की वैल्यू मिल गई, कितनी आ गई 5 by 2. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर हम देखिए मैंने क्या बोला है कि हमें सबसे पहले a पावर 6 प्लस b पावर 6 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। नाउ टेकिंग स्क्वायर बोथ साइड a cube plus b cube is equals to 5 by 2. If we take square both side then we know that students a plus b whole square. Students मैं again a plus b को whole square लगा रहा हूँ and students we know that identity of a plus b whole square that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Here a is a power 3 and b is b power 3. Students जो a हमारा वो a power 3 and b हमारा b power 3. Then students a plus b whole power 2 that is equals to a power 2 plus b power 2 plus 2 times a into b. Now a power 3 bracket power 2 plus b square that is b power 3 bracket power 2 plus 2 times a into b. A means a power 3 and b power 3, and this is equals to 5 power 2 that is equals to 25 and 2 power 2 that is equals to 4. Now a power 3 bracket power 6. Students, we know that a power m bracket power n that is equals to a power m into n. By using this base and exponent rule, students, a power 3 bracket power 2, then 3 is multiplied by 2, then we get 6. So a power 6 plus 3 is multiplied by 2, then we get b power 6 plus and 2. A power 3 is multiplied by b power 3. Students, we know that a power m into b power m, this is equals to a into b bracket power m. By using this this rule, students, a power 3 b power 3 that is equals to a into b bracket power 3, and this is equals to 25 divided by 4. Now students, if you will find out the value of a power 6 and b power 6, then what is the value of ab? And students, value of ab is minus 1 by 2. So students, a power 6 plus b power 6 plus twice of a into b. What is the value of a into b? That is minus 1 by 2 and bracket power 3. This is equals to 25 divided by 4. Now a power 6 plus b power 6 plus 2 times, students, minus 1 power 3 that is equals to minus 1 and 2 power 3 that is equals to 8, and this is equals to 25 divided by 4. Now students, 8 is cancelled out by 2, then we get 4, and students, here a power 6 plus b power 6, and students, minus 1 by 4, and this is equals to 25 divided by 4. Now students, minus 1 by 4 right hand side left hand side से right hand side में जाएगा. Then students, a power 6 plus b power 6 that is equals to 25 divided by 4 and plus 1 by 4. And a power 6 plus b power 6 that is equals to 25 divided by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here is like fraction. So students, here common denominator and sum of the numerator that is equals to 26. Now students, 2 से cancel हो जाएगा. 2 से students इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 13 and 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 2. Then students, हमारे पास जो a power 6 plus b power 6 की वैल्यू आ रही है वो कितनी आ रही है स्टूडेंट्स? 13 by 2. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास a power 6 plus b power 6 की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 13 by 2. Now students, a power 6 plus b power 6 that is equals to 13 by 2. Now you will find out the value of a power 5 and b power 5. Students, if you will find out the value of a power 5 plus b power 5, students, then देखिए इधर, if a square plus b square, a square plus b square that is equals to 2, and students, what is the value of a cube plus b cube? Here look, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube that is equals to 5 by 2. So students, a cube plus b cube is equals to 5 by 2. Students, if we multiplied both the equations, then you will find out the value of a power 5 plus b power 5. So देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को क्या करते हैं? मल्टीप्लाई. देन a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a पावर 3 प्लस b पावर 3. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 2 times 5 by 2. स्टूडेंट्स, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा एंड राइट हैंड साइड में. Then students, a power 2 is multiplied by a power 3, and then a power 2 is multiplied by b power 3, and then students, b power 2 is multiplied by 3, a power 3, and students, b power 2 that is multiplied by b power 3. Now a power 2 is multiplied by a power 3 that is equals to a power 5 plus a power 2 is multiplied by b power 3, then a power 2 b power 3 plus b power 2 is multiplied by a power 3, then b power 2 a power 3, and plus b power 2 is multiplied by b power 3 that is equals to b power 5, and this is equals to 2 is cancelled out by 2, then we get 5. Clear students? Now a power 5 plus b power 5. Here a power 2 b power 3 plus b power 2 a power 3. Students, a power 2 and b power 2 is common. a power 2 and b power 2 students common आ जाएगा. And then students, a power 2 b power 3 is divided by a power 2 b power 2. Then students, you will get b plus, and b power 2 a power 3 is divided by a power 2 b power 2. Then we get students a, and this is equals to 5. Now students, we know that what is the value of a plus b. Students, value of a plus b is 1 and value of a into b is minus 1 by 2. Here a plus b is equals to 1 and a into b is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now students, put the value of a plus b. A plus b is 1, so a power 5 b power 5 plus a power 2 b power 2, that is equals to a b power 2. By using this rule students, a power m b power m, this is equals to a into b power m. Clear students? Now and students, b plus a, what is the value of b plus a? And students, we know that b plus a is same as a plus b, so here is 1 and this is equals to 5. Now students, a power 5 plus b power 5 plus a into b. A into b is replaced by minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 bracket power 2, that is equals to 5. And then students, a power 5 plus b power 5 minus 1 square, that is 1, and 2 square, that is 4. And students, we know that if we square of minus number, then you get positive answer. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम माइनस का स्क्वायर करते हैं देन स्टूडेंट्स हमें पॉजिटिव आंसर मिलता है. अगर माइनस की पावर इवन होती है आंसर स्टूडेंट्स क्या आते हैं? पॉजिटिव आते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एंड दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 5. नाउ a पावर 5 प्लस b पावर 5, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 5 माइनस स्टूडेंट्स 1/4 राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा, देन माइनस का 1/4. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स 5 minus 1/4, that is equals to 5 4 5 is 20 minus 1, that is 19/4. So students, a power 5 plus b power 5, that is equals to 19/4. And students, मैंने आपसे कहा था कि if you will find out the value of a power 11 plus b power 11, तो first you will find out the value of a power 5 plus b power 5, and also you will find out the value of a power 6 plus b power 6. Students, here a power 6 plus b power 6 is 13/2. a power 6 plus b power 6 is equals to 13/2. And students, a power 5 plus b power 5, that is equals to 19/4. Now students, multiply both the equations and you will find out the value of a power 11 plus b power 11. Now students, दोनों equations को क्या कर दो आपस में? Multiply. Then students, a power 6 plus b power 6 is multiplied by a power 5 plus b power 5, and this is equals to students 13/2 is multiplied by 19/4. 13/2 is multiplied by 19/4. Now students, a power 6 is multiplied by a power 5 and a power 6 is multiplied by b power 5, and then students b power 6 is multiplied by a power 5, and then students b power 6 is also multiplied by b power 5. Then a power 6 is multiplied by a power 5, then we get a power 11 plus a power 6 is multiplied by b power 5, then we get a power 6 and b power 5 plus b power 6 is multiplied by a power 5, then we get b power 6 a power 5 plus b power 6 is multiplied by b power 5, then we get b power 11, and this is equals to 13 is multiplied by 19. Now students, we know that 19 3s are 57, then 7 carry 5, 19 1s are 19, and plus 5, that is 24, and divide by 2 4s are 8. Here students, a power 11 and b power 11, so a power 11 plus b power 11, and students, here a power 6 plus b power 5 plus b power 6 plus a power into a power 5. Then students, you will you take common a power 5 and b power 5. Now students, if you divide a power 6 b power 5 is divided by a power 5 b power 5, then students, you will get a plus, and b power 6 a power 5 is divided by a power 5 b power 5, then we get b, and this is equals to 247 divided by 8. Now students, we know that what is the value of a plus b, and a plus b is 1. Clear students? तो ये तो 1 हो जाएगा, and then students 1 is multiplied by any number, then number is not changed. And students, a power 11 plus b power 11 plus a power 5 b power 5. We know that a power 5 b power 5 is same as a into b power 5, and this is equals to 247 and divided by 8. Now students, a power 11 plus b power 11 plus, what is the value of a into b? Students, we know that here a into b is equals to minus 1 by 2. So put the value of a into b, minus 1 by 2 power 5, and this is equals to 247 divided by 8. Now students, इसके बाद मैं यहाँ सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. Students, a power 11 plus b power 11. Students, minus 1 power 5 that is equals to minus 1 and 2 power 5 that is equals to 32. Students, वैसे भी माइनस का पावर अगर ऑड होती है तो आंसर कैसा आता है? नेगेटिव. And this is equals to 247 divided by 8. Now students, a power 11 plus b power 11, this is equals to 247 divided by 8 and plus 1 by 32. Because students left hand side में minus 30 by ये minus का 30 by 2 है, 1 by 32 है. Students right hand side में जाएगा तो plus का 1 by 32 हो जाएगा. And then students, a power 11 plus b power 11, this is equals to students 8 और 32 का एलसीएम लेंगे तो कितना आएगा हमारे पास? वो आ जाएगा 32. एंड स्टूडेंट्स 32 is divided by 8, then we get 4 and 4 is multiplied by 247, then 4 7 जा 28 का 8 carry 2 and 4 4 जा 16 2 18 का 8 carry 1 and 4 2 जा 8 1 9, and then plus, and 32 is divided by 32, then we get 1 and 1 is multiplied by 1. So students, 989 plus 1, sorry 988 plus 1, that is equals to 989 and divided by 32. So students, what is the value of a power 11 b plus b power 11? A power 11 plus b power 11, this is equals to 989 divided by 32. This is our final answer students. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.